Okay, so what we're looking to do here is to take a slide and turn it into an interactive worksheet. So we already have the worksheet. Very good. Love the design, by the way. Very good stuff with the Bitmoji. Um, the philosophy behind turning a slide into an interactive worksheet is that you are going to edit the master. So just so you, let me make a copy of this. I'm going to get a copy of this practice slide worksheet. So whenever I'm talking about master, to access the master slides, and the masters are just the templates. So whenever you come up here to add a new slide to a presentation, you have all of these here. And these are your master slides. If you open one of those up, there's going to be a template you can start editing. Now, if you go in and mess around with those, you can change what's on the template or the master version. So if you click view and you go to master, you'll get there where you can edit these. So we're going to actually take one of these and we're going to change it to be the template of our worksheet. But then on the actual slide presentation itself, we're going to add the interactive element. So if none of that makes sense yet, I will demonstrate. So we're on the slides now. We need to get all the interactive stuff off of the slide itself. So I'm going to go Control C. I'm going to take all that stuff. And now I'm going to go View Master. And remember earlier when I said if you add a new slide, you can pick from one of these things. We're just going to change one of these things to where it's going to be the worksheet that we want to use. So I'm going to delete all of the elements off of it. And then we're in simple dark, so I'm going to change the background to black. And now I'm going to Control V. I'm just going to paste all that stuff, the interactive stuff that I took off of the slides presentation itself and add it into the master or the template. Now why I want to do that is it's going to make all these things, it's going to take the interactivity away. So to demonstrate, I'm going to go back to the slides. So I'm going to click on the slide presentation itself. And you'll see I can still click on all these things. But now beneath that, I have a copy of this. So I'm going to highlight all the stuff that's on the top and delete it. And it's still there now. But I'm looking at the template. I can't click on any of this stuff. It's not interactive anymore. So now all we have to do is to add the interactive elements. So now that I'm in the slide presentation itself, I will go and insert a one-by-one table. And the reason I like to use tables for this instead of text fields is because whenever you click in a table, it will prompt the person to type. You have to double-click on a text box. So I always use tables for that. And once you have it at this point, you'll notice I can click in here and type stuff, but I can't click on this picture. I can't click on any of this other text. So at this point, you'd have your interactive elements all lined up. It'd be ready to go. It'd be ready to send that out, make copies, whatever. If somebody makes a copy of this, they can't edit any of that stuff in the background unless they know how to go view and access master, and most people don't know how to do that, so you're going to be good to go that way. So you want to know how to make an interactive worksheet out of a slides presentation, that's how you do it. Hopefully that helped. Let me know if you have any other questions.